Hello everyone, my name is Fazal. You are watching MFA Civil Engineering. Plastering is the covering of a material of a various composition applied either externally or internally to the wall, partition of a lath and the ceiling to cover a rough wall by lime, cement and mud mortar. When the lime is used as the binding material in making the mortar for the plastering purpose, then it is called as the lime plaster. A mixture of a lime and sand taken in equal proportions are grounded mechanically in a mortar mill, along with the water taken in an appropriate proportion, so as to form a paste of a required consistency. And this paste is nothing but a lime plaster. Sand proportion in a lime plaster control of various properties such as the shrinkage, strength, porosity and the adhesiveness. Fine sand is more suitable for making the plaster. Sand should not more fine and it should pass more than 5% through a 100 mesh sieve or more than 20% through a 50 mesh sieve. This should be a gradation of a sand for making the plaster more effective and durable. Sand should be free from the any impurity like pebbles, garbage, grit and the mud, and it should also be clean. Fat lime or the poor lime is generally recommended for the plastering work due to the slow slacking process of the hydraulic lime. Use of the hydraulic lime in a plaster work damage the plaster surface by blistering. For external plastering work, sometimes a cement is added into a lime mortar so as to improve the strength and the property of the lime mortar. The application of a lime mortar follow the procedure like for the plain side of the brick wall 13 mm thick plaster is provided. For the rough side of the brick wall 16 mm thick plaster is recommended, and for the stone masonry wall 19 mm thick plaster is provided because of the unevenness of the surface. Lime plaster can be applied in 1, 2 or even a 3 coat on a prepared wall surface between the screed with the mesh and trowel. For 1 coat plaster, mortar is applied in a uniform surface little bit more than the required one. Then the surface is beaten with the help of the thin strip of the bamboo so as to fill the joint and then it brought to the required surface. Plastering work is finished by applying the solution of a lime putty on the surface so as to make it smooth with the metal float. It is more desirable to apply the plaster more than the 1 coat. Therefore, before applying the second coat, the mortar is dashed against by the wall surface with the trowel in the layer of 6 mm to 10 mm in the thickness, so as to have the good key for the holding the next coat. Then second coat is applied over the first coat has to set but not dry. Mortar in the second coat is properly pressed and rubbed with the wooden straight edge and level by means of the wooden float so as to obtain the uniform finish. 5 days later, the third coat called as the finishing coat is applied over the second coat. The thickness of the third coat should not be more than 3 mm. Third coat is finished by applying the cream of the white or fat lime called as the nerve with the help of the metal float.